creates the object for us to be able to accept input from the user. Okay, input. Okay, then this is still out of print saying, hey, enter your name. Now you notice there's a difference between this print and print ln. The difference is this: print is going to print this content on the console and still stay on that same point. The cursor will be blinking on that same point, but the print line will print this on the console and move the cursor to the next line. Okay, so we don't want that. I don't want the cursor to go to the next line. I want it to remain on the same line where this text was printed. That's why I didn't put an ln here. If I put an ln there, we're going to have it go to the next line. Okay, so then this object which we created from scanner class and enable us to receive input is where we use this method called next line to get a text which we saved in here, name, and we will see your name is this. Okay. We compile Java with an error. Okay, line 7, semicolon expected in line 7. Yes, there's the semicolon there. Okay, operator 2. Okay, Java operator 2. Enter your name. I forgot array. Sunny. So your name is Sunny. Okay. Quickly, I also want to introduce you to one other interesting way to display your output using dialogue in Java. So we do like import. I told you about import in our first video. Import javax dot swing dot j option. Are you kidding me? It picked j option pane. That's interesting. Okay, now j option pane is in the swing package. When we get to GUI, I will explain more about the swing and this namespace. For now, just know that you do this: import javax.swing.joption pane for us to be able to use dialogues. Alright. So here, instead of using the string, say your name is this, I'm going to take that out. Okay. Then I'll say joption pane.show message dialog. Okay, now I'm going to copy this text from here. Copy text and put it here. No, comma, then the text. Okay, we don't do this anymore. So there we go. Again, the objects that enable to get an input from the screen. Then here we print out this, enter your name. Then in this line we do input. Okay, dot next line to get a string from the console. Then the string is saved in this variable name. Okay, if I put an int here, we're gonna get an error because here we are having a string and here we are having an int type. Okay, to avoid that error, we just put a string there. Then in line 10, joption pane is a class in Java found in the swing package in the javax namespace. Okay, Java and Javax are two major namespace, core namespace. There are others, but there are two major namespace. Hopefully we'll discuss more as we go on in this lesson. Then joption pane.show message dialog. Now here is null, then here is the message. Okay, now I don't think I said this, or I have said that you can also use plus for concatenation. In Java, plus is used for two things: one for addition, or rather three things. One for addition, okay, like you're adding two numbers together, 2 plus 3, okay, or a plus b, ensuring that both a and b are both integer is for addition. So 2 plus 3 will give you 5. Okay, then another use of plus is for concatenation. If you have two variables a and b, and one is a string and the other is an int, it is definitely going to concatenate them. Okay, plus is used for concatenation. Also, plus is also used for unary operator, like when you change the sign from negative to plus, something like that. Okay, so we have this. Your name is. Now, what's actually going to happen here is that a dialog will come out showing us this information. Okay, now why I use the null is because j option pane showing dialogues is really tied to a window. Okay, tied to a frame or a window. So because we don't have a window for now, we're using null. Let me give an instance. But if I say save as, this is a dialog. Okay, this is a dialog. you observe that I cannot interact with this window, this background window. See that? Now, because this dialog is tied to this window. Okay. The same way also, dialogues in Java can be tied to a window, because we don't have a window, that's why I'm using a null for now. So hopefully when we go to GUI, I'm going to put a window here, okay, to tie the dialog to, so that you must attach the dialog before you continue using the window. Okay, so let's save this and compile and see what our program will look like. Java, so we go enter your name. I go like Sunday. Okay, so there we go. So your name is Sunday. Okay, your name is Sunday as a dialogue. I think we'll be using this dialogue more often. That's cool. Alright, so I guess you understand how we can receive input from the command line. Okay. Alright, so to receive more input, there's J option pane, show input dialog. I think I should also show you that also. Okay, here let me take this out, showing input dialog. So we won't need scanner. Enter name. Okay. I'm trying to look for a way to edit this program. Sorry, I didn't plan or prepare. I just jumped into this video, so pardon me if it doesn't really come out too smooth. Okay, I'm just going to take out everything. Okay, then we'll take out the ones we want. Alright, so I have a string name is equal to J option pane dot show input dialog. Now you know something about the name convention again. Input, show input dialog. Wow, you picked input dialog. That's good. That's cool. Okay, look at this here. Showing with the dialog, you observe that S is lowercase, N is uppercase, D is uppercase.